So Alexander's got her first fish. Nice, very good. Nice bass.
Number 2.
Yes, we got number 2.
Alright, he's dizzy. He's dizzy. Get him up.
Okay.
Robbie's tiny little fish. One of many. Okay. Oh, big jumper.
Did you see that thing jump 3 times? That's a fish. Look at it.
That's a big one too.
Get the net.
My fish, you jerk.
Get the net.
Yeah.
Get over here.
Not that big, my ass.
Oh, now I can't put it on video.
Oh, well, sorry.
Oh, wow.
That's a big one.
Hold it out so I can see it.
Oh, he's big.
That is a nice fish,
My
Rob.
fish. That was supposed to be my
Biggest
fish.
of the day, probably. Oh, how does that make you feel?
Let's see it. Okay, hold it up under its belly. Hold it towards me. Don't step on that rod, anybody. Okay, hold it up and look my way.
Worm on me.
Come on. That looks good.
Look how pretty it is.
Yeah. So how's everything there?
Yeah, she does. Careful of the blades. Blades.
Yeah.
Stop filming me. True backflip.
Good job.
That one off.
Double header.
Was that your third?
That's my 4th, thank you.
There's walleye.
Did you get it?
Yep.
That is a nice bass. Nice fighter, too. He's working hard.
I just got one, number 6. Green and rough.
There's baby.
First catch.
Where'd he go?
It's a good one. Mount that. Pick it up.
Did you see him run?
It's a big fish.
We're going in. He's fished. Caught a lot of fish today. How'd you do, Alexander? Did you do good?
I caught 2 fish.
That's good. 2 more than Robbie.